Salam alaykum, dear brothers and sisters. Many of you have been asking about the state of affairs and the progress of the construction in Maulana Sheikh Nazim's Dergah, in Maulana Sheikh Mohammed's Dergah, and Sheikh Hassan's Dergah in Kal, in the Osmanische Herberge. So we will show you now a brief tour, just to see. As you can hear, they are working, heavy work, heavy construction work. So here we have a look at the old kitchen. Taken out the floor, the walls have been stripped off already, everything is going to be prepared for plastering. Here you see the walls that have been erected. This is most likely going to be the dorm for the ladies again, as before. They opened up some new doors for some smaller units, you know. Another one here. Now we have a look at the small mosque. This is going to be the dorm for the men. And as you see, has been a lot of work here also. A very big beam to support the ceiling up here on top. It's the old stage of the big hall, which is used now as a mosque. You know, so the mosque, small mosque, has been lifted up one floor on top of here, and this big beam is necessary to support it. You know. So it's possible to make hadra up here now without fearing that the roof coming down. Yes, and they're doing the electrics. Salam alaykum. Yeah, and this old room from Yusuf is going to be part of the men's dergah, also to be used as a small tea kitchen, something like that. And the heating, there's mashallah, there's a new heating also, gas heating. Unfortunately, gas price is going up, but it's salam alaikum. But it's working nicely actually. The house is quite warm, you know. It's quite warm, and the water is hot also. Alhamdulillah. Yes. Yeah, so as you see, there's a lot happening. There's a lot of progress, you know. Soon the plastering will be starting. They come to make the plastering in the dergah. Yeah, and this is a cellar, you know. This is now mainly used as a store. And yeah, here we didn't do so much yet, but it's used as a storage. Now I will show you a new small mosque. Some of you have seen it already on the streams, maybe on the live streams. Yes. So that's where before at Big Zikr, you know, there was a bookshop in the back and the bazaar, you know. And now it's our small mosque for daily use. Has a big advantage for the heating, you know. We have put some plywood here to separate it. So the small room is easily to be heated, even though it's very warm in here. And we use it under the week or for Khatam, Jummah prayers. And when there's big zikr, of course we move to the big hall for big zikr, or if there's many people for Eid, these things. And in the future maybe we're still thinking about some kind of solution here to make a separation that can be removed easily, you know, like a folding wall or something like that. It's not exactly sure. Yes, I think there's enough to give you a brief overview over the happenings here in Derga. And yeah, also to remind people at the moment it's still difficult to stay here, of course, especially with families, also for the ladies, because there's no separate room as before at the moment. The seminary room is used presently. So we cannot provide, you know, the comfort, yeah, especially for families and ladies. It's a bit rough on the edges, but of course, still, of course, everyone is welcome to stay here, to sleep here. You know, some people now sleeping here in the mosque. Some of the helpers that were coming, and also in the big hall, there's a lot of space, you know, so it can be arranged. That's it for now. So thanks to everyone for your attention and for your help, your support, your prayers. And yes, if you want to help us in either with your work or with donations or with material help, you can contact Sheikh Ahmed Adamek, you can contact me, you can look on our website. We'll provide some links here in the details of the video also. Salam alaykum, Shaban Mubarak.